In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Outlook. We'll head to the settings area where the signature tools live. On a Mac, click the Outlook menu at the top and choose Settings. On Windows, look to the top right corner of Outlook and click the small gear icon for Settings. In the Settings panel, select Mail, then open Compose and Reply. This takes you straight to the signature editor. Scroll until you see the email signature section. Click the plus icon labeled New Signature to create one. Give your signature a short, clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Something like Work, Personal, or Marketing works well if you plan to have more than one. Now type or paste your signature into the editor. You can include text, a small photo or company logo, social media icons, and hyperlinks such as your website or scheduling link. Use the formatting tools to adjust colors, font size, and layout so it looks polished and consistent with your brand. Keep images lightweight so emails load quickly, and stick to simple fonts for better readability across devices. If you add icons, make sure their links are correct and test them in a draft to confirm they open as expected. Next, set your defaults so Outlook knows when to use the signature automatically. Under the default signature options, choose which signature should apply to new messages, and which one should appear for replies and forwards. Many people prefer a fuller signature for new messages and a more compact version for replies, so feel free to create a second, shorter signature and assign it to replies and forwards if that fits your style. When you're done, simply close the settings window. Outlook saves your changes automatically, so there's no extra save button to click. The next time you compose an email, your default signature will appear right away. If you ever need to switch signatures for a particular message, use the signature picker in the Compose window to choose a different one on the fly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your signature professional and uncluttered, avoid oversized graphics, and make sure your links are up to date. If you work across multiple devices, remember that the Outlook mobile app has its own signature setting, so you may want to match it for a consistent look. And that's it. Your Outlook signature is set up and ready to go.